Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 question number 2. Given the complex number z equal to 2 plus 3i, represent the complex numbers in organ diagram. The question second subdivision, already we discussed first subdivision. Now second subdivision z iz minus iz minus iz. So now I am going to substitute z value here. So z is equal to what? 2 plus 3i. That can be represented as 2 comma 3. This is 2 comma 3 is nothing but the real part 2 and imaginary part 3. The next one minus iz. So minus of I into z value 2 plus 3i. So now I am going to multiply this minus I inside. So minus 2i minus into plus minus 3i square. So already we know that I square value is equal to what? I square is equal to minus 1. Now I am going to substitute here. So minus 2i minus 3 into minus 1. So what you will get? Minus 2i minus and minus what? Plus 3. So we can write 3 minus 2i. That is minus iz. So that can be represented as 3 comma minus 2. This 3 comma minus 2 is nothing but the real part 3 and minus 2 is imaginary part. The next one is z minus iz. So z minus iz. Already we know that value of z value is equal to what? 2 plus 3i minus iz value 3 minus 2i. So now I am going to separate real part and imaginary part. Real part 3 and 2 plus 3 and imaginary part 3i minus 2i. So 3i minus 2i. Now 2 plus 3, what will get? 5. 3 minus 2i, that is I. That is what? Z minus iz. So these three, this can be written as, this can be represented as, so 5 comma 1. So this is 5 is real part and 1 is imaginary part. So now I am going to draw the diagram. So I am taking x-axis is real axis and y-axis is imaginary axis. So I am going to take x-axis real axis and y-axis imaginary axis. So now this is what? 0. I am taking x-axis 2 units. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The same as y-axis 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Here also minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Now I am going to substitute z coordinate. What? Z coordinate is 2 comma 3. So 2 and 3. So this is what? Z coordinate 2 comma 3. The next one minus iz. Minus iz coordinate 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. Here 3 minus 2. So this is the 3 comma minus 2. This is what? Minus iz coordinate. The next one, third one, z minus iz. What's the point? 5 comma 1. So 5 value here, 1 value here. So that is 5 comma 1. This is what? Z minus iz coordinate. So now we can draw this, we will get triangle. So this is the question number 2, subdivision 2. Thank you children.